G'day guys, just a short one for you. Haven't done one for a while, so I thought I'd post something interesting and hopefully help someone out. Alright, everyone's probably worked on these Briggs and Strattons before. Had problems with the that silly filler seal leaking oil all over the place all the time. I think most of the Briggs engines have got that similar seal, the 7s and 8s and 12s and whatnot. But yeah, that little screw-in thing that goes down there. Anyhow, we've got a little cheat that I don't know, hopefully will keep, if they're still supple enough, will keep them sort of going for a little while. And what I've found works is just some Teflon thread seal tape, and you just bind a little bit of that onto the threads, and that'll reduce the inner side diameter of that seal just a little bit, and hopefully it'll squeeze hard enough on the end of this plastic tube here. That's your filler tube, screws to the side of the flywheel housing up there. So yeah, they're about, I don't know, they're normally about 12-15 Australian dollars, so they're pretty dear. You go buying them all the time, but anyhow, and you got shipping on top of that sometimes, so yeah, anyhow, it usually gets you out of the poo for a bit. Alright, thanks for watching, see yous.